My primary two children, I welcome you to this program of e-learning. Thank you for being on always. Thank you for your love towards studying, towards mathematics and towards any other subject. Thank you for that. Please, we promise you that if you put in more efforts, you will be promoted to other classes. Today we are going to look at missing numbers. And that's our topic, finding the unknown using subtraction. We are going to look at finding or solving using subtraction. These are one of the examples. Solve and find the missing number. This is our first number. Before attempting this number, you'll have to ask yourself, or you will have to state out this one verbally. Speak it out by saying, when you get 5, you subtract a number, you will get 3 as the answer. When you get 5, you subtract a number, you will get 3 as the answer. What is that number? If we try to use our practical method, we shall see that if you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are our 5. How many shall we subtract in order to get 3 as the answer? When I subtract 1, I'll get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll get 4 as the answer. When I subtract another one, how many will I get? 1, 2, 3. It means that I'll get 3 as the answer. Hence, that is my equation. So it means that when I get 5, this is 5, I subtract 2, I'll get 3 as the answer. So it means that my answer here, it is 5 minus, the answer in the box is 2, you get 3. Or I can give you another method. This is one of the methods. Another method is that 5 minus a box, you get 3. 5 minus a box, you get 3. So therefore, you will say that my box, therefore, will be equal to this 5 minus this 3 this side. You will get this 5 subtract this 3. That's as simple as that. So it means that my box will be equal to 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. My box will be equal to 2. That is my box. Therefore, you repeat the statement by saying, when you get 5 minus a box containing how many? Remember, our box is equal to 2. The answer will be equal to 3. So that one becomes our equation. We can either take this one or take this one. This one is practical and it is very simple, and this one is also practical as well as simple. Let us go to our next example. It is saying, when you get 14, you subtract a number, you will get 10 as the answer. When you get 14, you subtract a number, you get 10 as the answer. Let us count how many 14s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When you get 14, you subtract a number, you get 10 as the answer. But what number are we going to subtract on this 14 in order to get 10 as the answer? Remember, this is 14. When I subtract 1, of course I remain with 13. When I subtract the next one, I remain with the 12. When I subtract the next one, I remain with 11. When I subtract this one, I will remain with the 10. How many have I cancelled? I have cancelled 1, 2, 3, 4. I have cancelled 4. So you therefore say 14 minus a box is equal to 10. But since you have subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, your answer will be 4. That's how you can do it practically. Or else I can give you another way by saying, when you get 14 minus a box is equal to 10. 14 minus a box is equal to 10. You can change this one, you take this side. After taking it, you will get 14 minus 10. Or you will say, my box is equal to 14. You do it as direct 14 minus 10. You therefore say my box is equal to 14 minus 10. You'll probably get 4 as the answer. You try to subtract 14 minus 10. 4 minus 0, you get 4. Here 1 minus 1, you get nothing. So you run with your 4. My box is equal to 4. Therefore, you don't stop there. You will say, when you get 14 minus the box, you will get your answer as 10. But the number in the box is 4. You got that number as 4. So that's how you do your statement. You can adopt any method you feel like you want. Thank you very much. Let us go to our last example, and our last example is 68. That's how you can say it. When you get 68, you subtract a number. That number you don't know, you get 40 as the answer. What number is there? Since at least this is somehow a bigger number, because when you try to draw sticks, like how I have drawn here, you will find yourself drawing the whole book 68 and also drawing the whole book 40. Now here, I would advise you to use the simpler method of subtracting directly by saying 68 minus a box, you get 40. So you'll say therefore my box is equal to 68 minus 40. So my box is equal to 68 minus 40. What do you get, children? You get 68 minus 40. Subtract properly. That's how we subtract it vertically. 8 minus 0. When you get 8 and you subtract nothing, what do you get? You realize that you are getting 8. When you get 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 4. Subtract 1, subtract 2, subtract 3, subtract 4. What do you remain with? 1 and 2. So here you get your 2. What is your answer? Your answer is 28. So therefore it means my box is equal to 28. But you don't stop there. You go back and conclude by saying, therefore, when I get 68, I subtract a box, I'll get 40. But that number which I have got is 28. So when you get 68 minus 28, you get 40 as your answer. That one becomes your good answer. So my good children of primary 2, thank you very much for being attentive. Let us meet in the next lesson and we see how we can solve some equations through adding. Here we've been subtracting. We are going to see solving equations by adding. Thank you very much. Wait for the next